Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today we are going to solve one of the problem from fourth exercise of chapter real numbers from class 10. The question here is, the following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational numbers or not. If they are rational numbers and of the form p by q, what can you say about prime factors of q? They have given three problems here and we have to find whether these three are rational or irrational. If they are rational, of course, they can be written in the form of p by q form, and we have to say about prime factors of q, in the sense like we need to check in what way the factors will be for q, which is denominator. Before going to solve the problem, let us have basics related to rational and irrational numbers, in the sense like how the decimals will be for rational and irrational numbers. See here, rational number of course can be will be written in the form of p by q form. See, this gives the decimals of two types, one terminating decimal or otherwise non-terminating but recurring decimal, in the sense like how the decimals will be. Let me have some example on it. Okay, yes, 0.14 is a terminating decimal. For other example like 1.5679. so here after 9 we do not have any other, in the sense finite decimal places. Here 4 decimal places you will be having. If you take one more example, something like in this example, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 decimals. It is a finite number of decimal places. So, another type of decimal expansions, like non-terminating but recurring decimals. So, how the decimals looks like? Example 1.434343, keep on goes 434343, and this can be written as 1.43 bar. 1.43 bar. Coming to the part of irrational numbers, how the decimals looks like? Non-terminating and non-recurring. So, example like 0.12121314697413, keep on, means infinite number of decimal places will be there and even the digits are not repeating. These kind of decimals are called irrational numbers and these kind of decimals. So, these two types are rational numbers and these are the examples of irrational numbers. Okay. So, same we apply for the questions what they have given here. Now, first one, see here 43.123456789. Yes. Here it is a terminating decimal. So, we can confirm that this is a rational number. So, 43.123456789 is a rational number. A rational number can be written in terms of p by q form. Okay. How to write this in terms of p by q form? We know that if you want to move the decimal point from left hand side to from left to right side, how many digits you move, means the point how many digits it cross right side, you have to divide the number with that many times of tens. Means if you move one place, then you have to divide this whole number by 10. If you want to place a decimal point here after 2, then you have to divide whole number by 10 square. If you are moving the point to the edge, then it has to be divided by 10 to the power of n. N will be the number of decimal places. By mean you are converting the number as decimal fraction, means where the denominator contains 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, like that. Means simply to say denominator will be 10 to the power of n form. Now, let us convert this. Okay. Now, this can be written as 4. See, now I am moving this decimal point to edge 9 decimal places. So, then you can write as it is this number like this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you have to divide by 10 to the power of number of decimal places you moved. You moved 9 decimal places. So, 9. This can be written as 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 10 to the power of 9 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power of 9. This can be written as 2 to the power of 9 into 5 to the power of 9. See, what exactly I want to say here is the denominator has 2 and 5 as factor. We know that in a fraction or in a rational number, if denominator has only 2 as a factor or only 5 as a factor or combination of 2 and 5 as a factor, then surely that fraction or that rational numbers gives you a terminating decimal. I hope you understood this. Now, let us solve second one. See here 0.1201200. So, it is not repeating here. The digits are not repeating like what we have discussed in the previous example. The digits repeated here continuously, but here the digits are not like that. So, this decimal expansion is not a rational number. So, directly I can write it as 0.120 1200 12000 124 zeros keep on goes is not a rational number, is not a rational number, means it is an irrational, it is an irrational number. So, you cannot represent this in the form of P by Q form. Now, let us solve third one. Here 43.123456789, the bar is for from 1 to 9, means this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 continuously repeats, infinitely it repeats. Now, to write this in P by Q form, let us follow the steps. So, let first x is equal to 43.12345678 and keep on goes like 1 again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like that, okay, infinitely. Now, I want to move this decimal point 9 places here, 9 places. So, what I have to do? I have to multiply with 10 to the power of 9, means 1 and 9 zeros. And if I multiply 10 to the power of 9 on both the sides, then I will be getting like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means this decimal point moves here 9. So, I multiplied both the side with 10 to the power of 9. Now, here point this continues as usual 5 6 7 8 9 like that. And if I consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, and if I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, that is 10 to the power of 9 x minus this x is equal to this value. Let me write in column wise. Now, what will be the answer to this if you subtract? So, here 10 to the power of 9x minus x, you will be getting 9x. How do we get this? 10 to the power of 9, in the sense this can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, x minus x. If you remove 1 x from this, you will be getting 9x, okay, yes. Now, if you subtract 43 point this value from this, then 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 4 4, and this will be as usual 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 3 4, okay, point 1 minus 1 0. Now, x is equal to means if I keep x in left hand side and if I move this this 9s this side, then this value will divide RHS, that is 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6 by 9 nines 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is in the form of P by Q form. So it's a rational number. So a rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, and here also we have represented the value decimal in terms of P by Q format. And this you cannot, because the decimals are non-terminate and not recurring. I hope you all understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.